So, I'll try to check out yung lighthouse. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano siya kataas. Ayan, eto siya. Ito yung lighthouse. Yan yung balak kong akyatin. We'll see kung kakayanin ko. Okay? Alright. Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see dun sa title, yung Baler Lighthouse is no longer a tourist destination. Good thing nung pumunta ako, hindi pa siya bawal. And then a day after nung hiking or nung pagpunta ko dun, I read dun sa article nila, dun sa page nila, na they no longer accept tourists or hindi na siya kinoconsider as a tourist destination. Reason being is may na-accident, unfortunately, dun sa area na yun. And me personally, I'm sorry, na pumunta dun, I have to say na it's really dangerous, guys. If you step on your wrong foot, I'm definitely sure na it's either mapunta ka dun sa dagat, gugulong ka dun, diretso dun sa dagat, or gugulong ka diretso sa mga matutulis na bato. So it's really dangerous, guys. So if you would like to still visit the place, yung Baler Lighthouse, please make sure to coordinate dun sa Baler Tourism Office, kasi as of now, they don't allow anymore or anyone na pumunta na doon. So ayun guys, but for this video, I'll just gonna show you guys ano ba yung itsura niya, or ano yung may experience mo, you know, if ever umakyat ka dun sa Baler Lighthouse. So ano ba yung may expect mo pag nandun ka na sa taas. So yun yung purpose ng video na to guys. So disclaimer again, my advice for you guys is please do not go to that area without permission of the Baler Tourism Office, kasi bawal na po. So yun lang guys, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I'll see you again. Okay, so just an update guys. So I'll try na akyatin ang lighthouse. Entrance is only 100 pesos. And siya yung guide ko. Hello. Siya yung guide ko. Mas maliit pa sa akin. Okay, so according to her, it's going to be a 10 minutes trek going up to the lighthouse. So we'll see. I'm sure it's really blazing hot today. So medyo nakakapagod siya, pero I'm pretty sure kakayanin kasi saglit lang naman. 10 minutes. And I'll update you as soon as I get to the lighthouse. See you guys. Okay guys, so check out this view from here. Alright, as you can see, super ganda ng view from here. Wala pa man ako sa lighthouse. But the trekking, it's pretty tiring though. So let's go. Eto guys, ganyan siya kaka-steep yung aakyatin ko. Check that out. So, I'll try if I can do this, but I'm pretty sure no choice na ako kasi nandito na ako. Let's do this! Wala pa man sa lighthouse, but the view is so amazing. Check it out. Alright, so sobrang taas ng aakyatin namin. But I'm almost there. Check that out kung gaano siya kataas. I'm a bit tired. I'm not used to this, but I think kayang-kaya ko siya. Alright, so wish me luck. Here we go, guys. Here we go! Oh, okay ka lang? Alrighty guys, so finally dito na ako sa lighthouse. As you can see in my background, check this out. Yan yung lighthouse. And check out my view. Amazing. I'm so sweating right now. But it's worth it. Worth the pain and worth the pagod. With this view, guys, so I hope you like my video. If you do like my video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos.